So hi guys and welcome back to Carl's Diary. Today we're talking about the area of triangle. So if you remember, we took last lesson about area of rectangle, and far away. We're going in a case we're going to talk about science French, but the next lesson I think we're going to talk about genes. I think, yeah, it's so easy, or cells, if you remember cells. But for now we're going to talk about the area of triangle. So if you remember the last lesson, we were talking about the area of a rectangle. So today we're going to talk about area of a triangle. So each shape, or each like right angle or rectangle, has a formula. So if you remember the rectangle, let's get a rectangle like this. This rectangle, let's say its length. If you remember length and width, so let's say 8 centimeters equals to, let's say, 3 centimeters. So first thing we do the formula, which is A length times width, which is like 8 times 3, and we know the answer, but we need to do the formula, and this is important so much. So A, which is area, equals length times width. A, 8 times 3, which is length times width. Then A, which is like the answer for 8 times 3, 24 centimeter squared. So this is our formula for this, like for the rectangle. Now we're going to talk about the square. I mean the triangle. Sorry, triangle. So let's talk about triangle and its formulas. So we have a formula for like area of a triangle. So area of triangle is always half the area of an enclosing rectangle. Example, if we have this rectangle, if we cut it a half, we can get a triangle. So it's easy, like I don't know how to draw it actually, but it's a half of the area of the enclosing rectangle. So let's see the formula of the triangle, and it's not really hard, but it's hard to memorize and remind, memorize it a lot. You get to forget, but it's okay. We can simplify also, but we're not now in simplifying. So we said the area of triangle is half the area of the enclosing rectangle. So if we have a enclosing rectangle, we cut half, we can get we can get a triangle. But I think not all of the not all of the rectangles are the half of triangle. So let's start. So we know that length times width is used for rectangle, but we have, so let's see example. We have this rectangle, okay? So this is the length and this is the width, okay? Rather than in math, in triangle, rather than saying length times width, we say base and height. So example, we have this nice triangle, a cute triangle, like this triangle. We have this triangle, and let's say its base is 10 centimeter, and let's say this 4. Actually, let me draw a nice triangle. like this one, this one, this one, like this, and like this. Let's say this is the base. We say the base, and this is the height. Let's see why we call it the base I height, because it's enclosing rectangle, and this is the formula. Like always, it's the formula, because length and width will not like a lot work for a triangle, because they will like not give the correct calculation. But this is the base and height. Okay, screenshot it so you don't get forget. So, but let's see, we say that, so before we start the triangle, we say that the rectangle, we say that the rectangle formula is a equal length times width. But for triangle, so this is rectangle, this is rectangle. For triangle, that's why it was so hard to give me in one lesson for triangle and rectangle. So by the way, this for rectangle, this formula, and this is for triangle, which is say A equals B times H, which is base times height. Base times height divided by 2. Divided by 2. That's why we say we have to get the correct calculation. It's the formula. So it's divided by 2, which is for the triangle. So let's give an example. Wait, sorry, why is this? Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's give an example. Oh, we have this rectangle. We have this triangle. Let's have a rectangle like this one, and this one. Let's say its base is 10 centimeter, and its height is 4 centimeter. Now, for the triangle, we said A, for the formula or the equation of triangle is AB times H2 divided by 2. So let's try this example. Let's find its area for this one. This area. Okay, let's find A. First thing we do, A B times H divided by 2. Then A 10 times 4 divided by 2, which is A 10 times 4, 40, divided by 2. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this. Then A, then A 20 centimeter squared. Why 20? Because 40 divided by 2 is 20 centimeters squared. So let's try another example. So let's say we have this triangle. Okay, we have this triangle. We have 2 meters, 12 meters, 12 meters, the height, 12 meters, 5 meters to 7 meters. But wait, how is this one has 7 meters? I will tell you how. This one is the base, correct? This one is the base. And this one, which one is the height? This one. Why? Because the height is not straight, and we're like measuring this one, this like the area, and a centimeter, we kick it out. So we have this formula. Actually, let me write it again. So I wrote it again. We said it's 12 here meters, and here 7 meters, and here 5 meters. We said that 7 meters were correct. So let's do it formula now. So A B times H divided by 2, which is A 12 times 5 divided by 2, then A 12 times 5, which is 30 centimeters. 12 times 5 divided by 2, which is 3 centimeters, meter 2. So now we learned the area of a triangle. We're going to learn the parallelogram and trapezium again. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you.